Want to buy Bitcoin directly with PayPal inside Phantom Wallet? Unfortunately, it's not a direct route because Phantom is your gateway to Solana's world, not Bitcoin's. First, you'll need to use a crypto exchange that plays nice with PayPal. Coinbase is a great starting point for beginners. Head over to Coinbase, or your preferred exchange, and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Search for Bitcoin. Choose PayPal as your payment method and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Complete the purchase. Coinbase will handle converting your PayPal funds into Bitcoin. Now that you have Bitcoin on Coinbase, you need to get it to a wallet that supports Bitcoin. Create or log into a Bitcoin wallet such as Trust Wallet. Make sure to back it up. Locate your Bitcoin deposit address. This is where you'll send the Bitcoin from Coinbase. Back on Coinbase, go to the Send, Receive section and carefully paste the Bitcoin address of your other wallet into the recipient field. Double-check everything. Wrong address, wrong Bitcoin. Confirm the transaction and send it on its way.